African wild dog. Even leopards and buffaloes are afraid of it. Dog versus lion, hyena, and antelope. Hello, lovely YouTube family. Welcome back to OOB. Before we start, I would want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. What is the African wild dog? The African wild dog is known by many names, including Cape hunting dog or painted dog. Its scientific name is Lycanpictus, means painted wolf, referring to the animal's irregular mottled coat, which features patches of red, black, brown, white, and yellow fur. Each animal has its own unique coat pattern, and all have big, rounded eyes. These long-legged canines have only 4 toes per foot, unlike other dogs, which have 5 toes on their 4 feet. It has a dental formula for a total of 42 teeth. The premolars are relatively large compared with those of other canids, allowing it to consume a large quantity of bone, much like hyenas. The heel of the lower carnassial M1 is crested with a single cusp, which enhances the shearing capacity of teeth and thus the speed at which prey can be consumed. This feature is called trenchant heel and is shared with 2 other canids, the Asian dhole and the South American bush dog. The African wild dog has a bite force quotient measurement of 142, the highest of any extant mammal of the order Carnivora, although exceeding by the Tasmanian devil, a marsupial carnivore. The BFQ is essentially the strength of bite relative to the animal's mass. Habitat. Though they were once found throughout the continent, from desert to mountain habitats, African wild dogs have disappeared from most of their geographic range. These days, African wild dogs typically roam the open plains and sparse woodlands of sub-Saharan Africa. Their largest population can be found in Botswana, Zimbabwe, Namibia, Zambia, Tanzania, and Mozambique. African wild dog behavior. They are quite social and intelligent. African wild dogs live in packs averaging from 7 to 15 members, and sometimes up to 40. Before the recent population decline, packs of up to 100 were recorded. Within the pack, these canines have a unique social structure. They cooperate in taking care of wounded and sick members. There is a general lack of aggression exhibited between members of the pack, and there is a little intimidation among the social hierarchy. Every hunting pack has a dominant pair. They are usually the only pair that remains monogamous for life. Wild dogs also have a large range of vocalizations that include a short bark of alarm, a rallying howl, and a bell-like contact call that can be heard over long distances. Elaborate greeting rituals and accompanied by twittering and whining. Pack hunting. African wild dogs live in packs that are usually dominant by a monogamous breeding pair. The female has a litter of 2 to 20 pups, which are cared for by the entire pack. These dogs are very social, and packs have been known to share food and to assist weak or ill members. Social interactions are common, and the dogs communicate by touch, actions, and vocalizations. African wild dogs hunt in formidable cooperative packs of 6 to 20 or more animals. Larger packs were more common before the dogs became endangered. Packs hunt antelopes and will also tackle much larger prey, such as wildebeest, particularly if their quarry is ill or injured. The dogs supplement their diet with rodents and birds. As human settlements expand, the dogs have sometimes developed a taste for livestock. Though significant damage is rare and most dogs prefer wild prey, the entire pack is involved in the welfare of the pups. Both males and females babysit the young and provide food for them. The hunting members of the pack return to the den, where they regurgitate meat for the nursing female and pups. Although the litters are large, very few pups survive. Sometimes the dens are flooded, or the pups die from exposure or disease. When pack numbers are reduced, hunting is not as efficient, and adults may not bring back sufficient food for the pups. In some cases, more pups survive in packs when there are more helpers. Diet. African wild dogs have diverse tastes. They hunt for a wide variety of prey, including gazelles and other antelopes, warthogs, wildebeest calves, rats, and birds. Like most predators, they play an important role in eliminating sick and weak animals, thereby helping maintain the natural balance and improve prey species. They can run long distances at speeds up to 35 miles per hour. Of the large carnivores, wild dogs are probably the most efficient hunters. Targeted prey rarely escape. Surviving against enemies. The main food source for the African wild dog is often the same as that of its 2 larger predators. The African wild dog targets creatures such as zebra, wildebeest, warthogs, impalas, and other gazelles. Once they made a kill, the African wild dog pack quickly consumes its meal, but in a rather orderly fashion, to avoid any run-ins with lions or hyenas. The African wild dog has the ability to defend itself when they outnumber a lone lion or one or two hyenas. African wild dogs have become the injured casualties of hyena and lion attacks receive help from the other members of their pack. The herd dog will receive its portion of meat to consume until it is healthy, and other dogs will actually lick its wounds to help heal them quicker. The difference between hyenas and wild dogs. African wild dogs are commonly mistaken for hyenas, but in fact, there are many differences, both physically and behaviorally, between these two beautiful animal species. Hyenas have a larger build with spotted markings, while African wild dogs are smaller and more slender in shape and have mottled marked fur. African wild dogs also have large round ears. As scavengers, hyenas are more competitive over food sources and spend a lot more time fighting with each other. Wild dogs are team players and tend to care more about the well-being of the pack rather than the individual dominant. Thus, sharing food resources and caring for ill or injured pack members is common. While African wild dogs belong to the family Canidae, canines, hyenas are not dogs but are closer related to mongoose and cats. African wild dog versus lions. Lions outweigh African wild dogs by a considerable margin, with the dogs weighing approximately 40 to 70 pounds and the lions capable of weighing well over 400 pounds. The African wild dog is no match physically for this feline, a species that also lives in groups and hunts in packs for the most part. Lions and African wild dogs are mortal enemies, with lions often killing as many wild dogs as they have the opportunity to, usually dispatching the pup. Lions do not eat the African wild dogs when they kill it, making it hard to decipher why they attack them. The success rate of African wild dogs is much greater as opposed to that of the lions. Lions will often resort to stealing an animal killed by wild dogs rather than hunt and kill something on their own. Wild dog versus antelope. Antelopes are some of the most common prey animals in Africa. They make a tempting meal for wild dogs, cheetahs, lions, hyenas, civets, pythons, and large birds. Because of the antelope's incredible speed, many predators prefer to sneak up on them and pick off individual stragglers. The cheetah, as one of the few animals fast enough to catch them, relies on its pure speed. These chases often make for spectacular footage on nature documentaries. These animals have a number of strategies to deal with a dangerous predator, the most important of which is their speed and agility. If the animal cannot evade its pursuer outright, then it may try to hide in water or foliage. If everything else fails, then the antelope may stand its ground and defend itself with its sharp horns. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing videos from us.